Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up your Brother ADS-1200 scanner step by step, from unboxing to scanning your first document. So if you've just bought this scanner, stay with me till the end. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open the box and make sure you have all the items: Brother ADS-1200 scanner, USB cable, power adapter if included, setup guide. Remove all protective tapes and packaging materials carefully. Also, keep the box safe for future transport. Step 2. Now, let's prepare the scanner. Open the top cover, push it back until it locks in place. Lift the document support arms, raise the paper guides. Important tip: do not carry the scanner using the document feeder. Step 3. Now connect your scanner to your computer. Use the micro USB cable, connect one end to the scanner, connect the other end to your computer. The scanner can also run using USB bus power mode, meaning it can work without a separate power adapter. Step 4. Before scanning, you must install the drivers. Go to Brother's official website, search for ADS-1200 drivers, download and install Brother iPrint and scan software. As mentioned in the manual, installing the driver is required before scanning. Step 5. Now let's load your documents. Adjust the paper guides according to paper size, fan the pages to avoid sticking, align the edges properly. Insert the document face down, top edge first. The scanner can hold up to 20 pages at a time. Avoid stapled papers, wet ink documents, curled or torn pages. Step 6. Scan different types of documents. Standard documents, load in ADF, face down, top first. Business cards, insert one at a time in ADF. Plastic cards, switch to card mode. Insert in the card slot, face up. Follow correct mode selection using the feed selector. Step 7. Now you're ready to scan. You have two options. Option 1, scan to computer. Press the Scan to PC button. The scan will start automatically. Option 2, scan via software. Open Brother iPrint and scan. Select Settings, Color, Resolution, File Type. Click Scan. The scanner will now scan and save your document. Step 8. You can also scan directly to a USB drive. Insert USB drive, press Scan to USB button. The scan will be saved automatically. Next, troubleshooting quick tips. If your scanner is not working, make sure the USB cable is properly connected, reinstall the drivers, check if the scanner is powered on, ensure documents are loaded correctly. Next, safety and care tips. To keep your scanner working properly, place it on a stable surface, keep it away from dust and water, do not overload the feeder, clean rollers regularly. And that's it! Your Brother ADS-1200 scanner is now fully set up and ready to use. If you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, share it with others. And if you need any help with setup or troubleshooting, do not hesitate to contact us. Our support team will be happy to assist you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.